Is your smart TV stuck on the loading screen, or does it keep showing the startup logo and then restarts again and again? Don't worry, you're not alone, and the fix might be easier than you think. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix a smart TV that's stuck on the logo screen or keeps rebooting. Welcome back to Fix Netflix, your go-to place for smart TV repair tips and tricks. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Stick around because some of these tips could save you serious cash. Let's start with fix number 1, smart TV stuck on the startup screen. This issue is becoming more and more common, especially with smart TVs. Alright, here's what you need to do. You'll need to upgrade the mainboard firmware. Use the official firmware from your TV's mainboard manufacturer. You can do this using a USB drive or a universal programmer with a working firmware backup from the same model and version. Still not working? Then check or even replace the NAND or eMMC flash memory chip. After that, try upgrading the firmware again. Now let's move to fix number 2, smart TV stuck on the loading screen and keeps restarting. First, check the power supply board, also called the PSU. Make sure the output voltages are normal and stable. If the PSU is fine, then move on to upgrading the mainboard firmware. Just like we did in fix 1. Still no luck? If the PSU output voltage is lower than the reference voltage, check out our other video linked in the description. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow tech lovers and DIY fans. Got a question or your own repair story? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Fix Netflix. I'll see you in the next video with more expert repair tips. Until then, happy fixing.